Hey guys, this is Clint. I'm coming at you from one of our production labs. And I know everyone is really excited about the opportunity, and we're really proud of that, and they should be, but the products is what really counts because this is a rare situation where the products actually stand on its own. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to give you a personal tour of each one of these features. Okay, welcome inside of LSN. This is our marketing hub. This is just going to be a very brief overview of some of the action that we have inside here, but keep in mind that we actually have a getting started guide, so we'll show you how to use things thoroughly when you get started. The thing I want to show you first is the mobile app. You know, how cool is it that you can be able to be a part of the mobile app creation community, which is one of the fastest growing segments. You can not only have a mobile app, you can take it to mainstream. It's a great product. Everybody wants one. I'm going to just give you a quick overview of some of the sales management because this is a plug and play system. That means that as soon as you get started, you can plug into hundreds of templates, capture pages, and sales funnels that are ready to go. You can create campaigns like Facebook campaigns or anything that you want to do specifically in case you want to be able to check those statistics. And then of course you can manage your leads just like you would in Salesforce and any other CRM. So that's very powerful. If you're thinking about how do you market, how do you get leads, we have all that covered too, as well as professional ad copy. Let's talk a little bit about the tools. You know, when I talk about tools, there's so many to talk about. I'm just going to give you a snapshot. We're going to talk about a blog, webinars, and we're going to talk about responders. But let's first talk about if you wanted to create your own sales funnel. For those guys out there that want to create your own thing, it always starts with a capture page. So we have a capture page wizard. What does a capture page do? It captures information like email, phone, so you can follow up. And remember, our follow-up is simple, set it and forget it, automated follow-up. So that's what a capture page does. And then of course you can create the rest of your sales funnel with the landing page wizard. This is really cool, a lightbox. What does a lightbox do? This is something where if you've ever been on a capture, or if you've ever been on a website and after so many seconds, something just pops up and asks you for information or shows you a video or anything that's kind of pertinent or cool, you can do that with the lightbox capture page. It's a great way to capture. It's also, it's really cool. Let's talk about the blog. You know what, guys? SEO is huge. And if you don't know much about how that works, we're going to show you, but you have your very own blog because in LSN, you're going to be able to promote any product or any program, and you're going to want to be able to take advantage of utilizing a blog platform. There's a little more to talk about here, but let's move on to webinars. Because if you have GoToMeeting, you can cancel it because we already have a built-in webinar system for you, as well as Google Hangouts, which are really cool. You know, as I mentioned before, without getting into this, I'm going to make it brief, that we do more than just an email follow-up. If you have Aweber, you can actually cancel it as well. Check this out. What about voice broadcast? You can send out a voice message to a list of thousands of people in just one click, as well as send a text in one click because you guys know the world is moving mobile and LSN is there. I'm going to go ahead and point out one other feature. When we talked about just set it and forget it, how cool is it that you can be able to capture people and then automatically it will send information as well as postal. Postal means that it will send a PDF or just anything to their physical address, and you never lifted a finger. The system will do that all automatically, and if you've ever had live chat, you know how powerful that can be. The coolest thing about LSN is you don't actually need to be in front of your computer because you can actually work it right off of your phone. So that was just a quick sneak peek of some of the features that we have in LSN. The cool part about it, the exciting part is that as we speak, we have people working, coding, developing new tools into the program. So it's going to be constantly evolving, constantly getting better and better. So right now is the perfect time to get involved, share this with people. Not only is it a great opportunity and really the best, but it's just an amazing value and just a great product.